Hi, welcome to EES Cable. I'm your host Vincent. On this exciting journey, we will take a deep dive into one of our main products, Concentric Cable. What are concentric cables, how are they constructed, and how are they manufactured? Their applications and their advantages over other types of cables. In this video, we explain all of these to you in details. So don't miss it. Let's start. What is the structure of concentric cables? The structure of a concentric cable includes the center conductor, concentric layers of insulation and outer sheet. To fully understand concentric cables, it's important to understand their structure. These cables consist of several key elements. First is the center conductor, which can be a solid or braided aluminum conductor or Cooper conductor that serves as the conductor core, followed by concentric layers of insulation materials, such as XOP, PVC, and so on. These layers provide electrical insulation and mechanical protection to the center conductor. Finally, add a durable exterior covering to protect the cable from environmental and mechanical damage. The shape of this cable can be round or flat, like this, round and flat. What are the types of concentric cables? Concentric cables are widely used in the fields of power distribution, telecommunication, signal transmission, and industrial control in low and medium voltage power grids, meeting various specific needs through different configurations. First, distribution cables for low and medium voltage power grids, consisting of a central conductor surrounded by several concentric layers of insulation and protection for energy distributions. Second, telecommunications cables used to transmit signals, such as coaxial cables, have a center conductor insulation and concentric conductive mesh layers to prevent electromagnetic interference. Finally, concentric cables for industrial control and signal transmission are suitable for ensuring reliable transmission of control signals and can be configured differently according to specific application requirements. What standards are generally used for concentric cables? Our products complete with ASTM, IEC, BS, and other standards. No matter which standard you need, we have you covered. What is the printing on concentric cables like? The printed part first has China EES cable, then a product name Concentric Cable, followed by voltage, size, production year, and continuous meter. Now let me take the sample and show you the logo of our concentric cables. What is the manufacturing process of concentric cables? The process of making concentric cables begins with the extrusion of insulation, which is then vulcanized and outer covering is added. Quality testing is then carried out. Then cut and segmented, plated, EES logo printed, and aluminum labels added. Finally, deliver the finished product. First, during the manufacturing process of concentric cables, we use professional equipment to extrude and apply insulation materials around the center conductor to form a solid concentric layer structure. It's then vulcanized to ensure tight adhesion between the layers, improving the cable's durability and tensile strength. We then add external coverings to enhance the cable's eruption resistance and protective properties. After completing these steps, we conduct a series of rigorous quality tests, including verification of electrical and mechanical properties to ensure that each cables meet standard requirements. Afterwards, the cables are precisely cut to appropriate lengths and packed into wooden trays to ensure safe transportation. In this process, we will use advanced printing technology to make the EES logo on the cable and attach an aluminum label, which details the necessary information such as the name, size, voltage, length, weight, and year of production of the cable. Ultimately, the prepared concentric cables will be safely shipped around the world to provide reliable connection and transmission solutions for a variety of applications. What are the applications and advantages of concentric cables? Concentric cables are vital in a variety of applications because they are highly flexible and resistant to electromagnetic interference, making them ideal in environments and require curved installation or clear signal transmission. The concentric structure gives it a superior anti-electromagnetic interference capabilities and maintains clear and stable signals. Concentric cables have outstanding performance in television signal transmission and computer network connections due to their high-quality signal transmission quality. They are widely used in telecommunications, computer networks, radio and television, and other fields, and have become the first choice for many communication systems. How are concentric cables quality tested? The concentric cable test report includes 5 parts: structure, insulation, neutral, conductor, outer sheet, and finished product. Among them, the testing items are important links to ensure the quality and safety of cables. This is test report. Structure: the face core part, number of core, conductor structure, conductor material, outer stranding direction of lay, conductor diameter. And insulation part, insulation material, color, tensile strength, elongation, and average thickness of insulation, and the minimum thickness of insulation, and the neutral conductor part. And there's outer sheet part, material, color, average thickness, minimum thickness, tensile strength, elongation, and the finished product. Approximate overall diameter of cable, approximate total weight of cable. That's our test report. What is the third-party inspection of concentric cables? Now I will show you our third-party test report. This is aluminum type and this is copper type. Thank you very much for watching this episode of our show. All in all, concentric cables are a versatile and reliable option for a variety of power transmission and telecommunications applications. Its well-engineered construction, coupled with high-quality manufacturing, makes it the first choice for engineers and industry professionals. If you would like to learn more about concentric cables or are interested in using them in your projects, please feel free to contact us. We can provide you with a quote anytime. Don't forget to follow our social media accounts and search for EES Cable English on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to find us. You'll find more great content about us on our social media. In addition, you can watch videos of product demonstrations, exhibition tours, and so on by subscribing to our YouTube channel at EES Cable. Thank you again for your support and thank you for watching this episode. See you next time. Bye bye.